snowing. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to 12 Days of Christmas, day 6. It is snowing again. I thought we were going to lose all of our snow this week, but it is a winter wonderland, which is strange for Newfoundland. It's usually not like this time of year. Yeah, again, about to head off to work, but I have a fun shoot today with Tanya. I brought along a couple of outfits with me, and we are going to a very fun location that we've already visited in this vlog. I wonder if you can guess what it is. I'll give you a hint. It's very, very cute there. I find on days when I have shoots, I kind of get a little frazzled because I want to make sure that I bring everything with me and I don't want to forget anything. And it is so easy to forget stuff. And then your photos don't turn out exactly the way you want them. But, you know, when it all comes down to it, I'm really, really grateful that I have an awesome friend in town right now who can take some amazing shots like these ones. Okay, I am going to call my girlfriend as per usual every morning. And I can't wait to chat with her. And hopefully we can keep the snow on the ground for when she comes to visit, because she loves the snow a lot more than I do. But not gonna lie, it's gonna make some pretty great pictures. Whew, I made it downtown. My hair is a bit of a mess, but you know what? We're gonna go with it. So for those of you who haven't guessed yet, Tanya and I are going to go and shoot at the Cat Cafe, and then we're going to see if we can shoot outside a little bit, because it's, as you can see, the sun is starting to come out and it's finally looking really pretty. It was kind of like messy out earlier, and you'll see the rest of the pictures that we take up on Instagram. I'm really excited to see how this goes. I like working with Tanya a lot. And if you're in St. John's and you're looking for a great photographer, she is a wonderful one to go to. Whoa, all right guys, it is much later. The photo shoot with Tanya went really well. I didn't get a chance to film any of it because we were so busy, but here is a picture from the shoot. You can look forward to those. I'm very excited about them. Now I am headed off to the mall. It is 6:12, and which means I'm going to go out shopping and grab some supper. I finally feel like I have some of my thoughts organized, but I'm not quite there yet. I feel like I'm so behind on Christmas shopping, yet I have less Christmas shopping to do this year than ever before. So I don't know why that happened. So I think my first stop is going to be Chapters. I'm gonna try and bring you guys along with me as best as I can while I'm shopping. Okay, the lighting here sucks. Let's go. Dark vlog this has turned out to be. It is so dark out. Yeah, total success. Not gonna hold that up for very long, just in case it's see-through and people I know might be watching. I love Chapters for Christmas. You can get literally something for everything. This sounds like a sponsored video, but it is not. So that is done, and I'm trying to decide if I should tackle the mall now or go tomorrow, because it's 8:14 and you know the mall is going to be blocked solid. I'm trying to find my phone. I think I'm going to go to the strange location next. I'm gonna go to Canadian Tire. I should probably go and get that one gift I need to get in Canadian Tire and then head home. Don't I look like I had a long day? I think being out in the cold today is finally catching up with me. Ooh. So that was a mild success. I'm glad I actually found some Christmas gifts. I was kind of worried I was gonna go out and not be able to find anything. I'm really happy with the things that I picked up, and I really tried to keep people's personalities in mind or their needs when I was getting them. Yay! Okay, that all being said, oh my god, look at this. Look at my hair. It is a little bit late and I need to edit this vlog, but you know what's gonna help with that? Some gross old hot chocolate. Oh no, is my cold coming back? I'm going to do some editing tonight, but first I'm going to get some hot chocolate. Ooh, let me show you our tree too. Dad put some lights on it. Come on, I have to be quiet, even though it's only 9 o'clock. My parents are gone to bed. Look at our tree. It's finally starting to look like Christmas in here. Oh, I'm so excited. Isn't my mom the most amazing at decorating? She has just such incredible taste. I have not inherited that from her at all. I don't understand the first thing about interior design. And while we're already here, let me show you my outfit. It is super casual, but really cozy and warm. So I have on this Calvin Klein sweater that's really, really long. Makes me feel like Justin Bieber. And then I'm wearing this necklace, which is by Sparks Design, which I got at Wink. It's a local store. I already talked about it in a previous vlog. If you want to watch it, I'll put it up here. But I can't stop wearing her jewelry. It's just so stunning. My coat is a beautiful long leopard coat from Winners, and I like it because it has zip pockets. They're so handy, especially when you don't want to bring a bag with you and you just want to put some stuff in your pockets. You know it's not gonna fall out. Let's adjust for the bottom. On the bottom, I'm wearing these sparkly Calvin Klein pants, and underneath them, I'm wearing a nice thick layer of leggings. And then I just wore a pair of black Nike. I used to work at Sport Check, I should know this. I wore a pair of black Nike sneakers, and I feel like it just put the whole ensemble together. Oh, and my bag. For my bag, I wore my Kate Spade crossbody bag. It's in a beautiful red color. I love how simple this is. This is my favorite bag, and it's probably my favorite accessory that I own. It's so simple and chic. It has the little gold feet on the bottom. Just such a pop, and I think that red goes so well with leopard print. Guys, I swear that my house sometimes makes the creepiest old sounds. It's so creepy. Like, it'll sound like there's somebody coming in through the door, or like something will move in the house, and is that the ghost of Handsome, I wonder? He was only 3 days shy of his 19th birthday. He was a pretty spoiled cat, but this was us with him last Christmas. It was so sad. It's really, really sad, but you know, I was really happy he had such a long life, and yeah, I hope Wilfred and Willow have very, very long lives like him too. Hot chocolate in Mr. Frosty Nose cup and Christmas lights. This is the perfect way to end the night for 12 Days of Christmas. If you want to know my go-to hot chocolate, you can check out one of my last vlogs. So comforting. Yay! Good night, everyone.